So shut the fuck up. You want it? You get it right now.
Stop! Oh my god!
What am I doing, huh? What am I doing?
I didn't make video, baby! Not me. Oh my god, I kicked her.
I know you like it when I put my shorts in your pants.
Your shorts in your back.
Oh shit. I didn't know what
So
I said.
shame already.
Oh,
Stop!
just because I have my hand inside your shorts doesn't mean...
You're fucking
Yeah.
irritating.
My finger was on his paputo.
It's not doing anything. Can you not scare her?
No, she runs whenever I scare her. Oh, sleepy.
Why are you sleeping?
You're so stupid.
You're so sad. What the hell? Why do you have to feed her a lot? Hurry up and do something.
Come on.
She looks so ugly from the front.
No way, fuck you.
You look ugly. You're not. Oh my god! What the hell?
Oh, I did that.
Fricka, you got me so scared.
Wendy, do you know if Ryan's gonna come home today?
I don't know. No, it's so cute. Didn't Oreo used to do that?
I don't know.
Huh? What do you mean you don't know? What do you mean you don't know?
Yeah.
You don't even know.
Oh, they're so big now.
They're so
I
she's so big.
It's
Brenda
so
feeds
big.
her a lot.
It's so big now.
She's so fat.
I know, yeah. It's like so. She's so puffy.
Oh, her head. Look at her head. It's so small. Look on the camera.
I know, I can
Oh.
see it. It's just because she's black, that's it.
Yeah, whatever.
It's all over her hair.
You're black. You're black. Oh shit, it's 13 minutes. Oh no, never mind. 3 minutes. I was looking at that, that's why. Okay, so bye. I'm getting bored. Bye!
Bye.
Fuck, you better say bye. I'm gonna say something embarrassing about you.
She's a lesbian.
Goodbye.
You have to look.
Can you stop?
Fuck up, why are you getting salty for?
Brenda, just look at the camera and then pretend you're saying bye. I'll say
so
bye
cute.
for you.
Good thing I didn't turn off the camera. Leave her alone.
Really?
Their food stinks.
She's so cute and fat.
How many times do you feed her? Whenever she runs out of food, you just give it?
No, I fill up the cup and then she just eat whenever she likes.
And then after it's gone, you just...
I fill it up.
I'd actually made shishi right now.
We go.
Huh?
We go.
Go where?
Oh, the ham and cheese. Oh, get man and van.
You want ham and cheese or hot dogs?
I'll eat my ham and cheese. Okay, I'm turning it off now. Bye.
My